Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO Magazine Pie channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about another secret website in a series of secret websites where each and every week we talk about amazing websites, amazing platforms and opportunities that you can hop on as a print-on-demand seller, as an artist, as a creative person. So let's dive into today's video. Before we go, consider clicking the like button guys. I do really appreciate that. Consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever we upload new video, you'll be notified about it. Also, we have a bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. Soon we are going to start the exclusive email newsletter. The link is also in the description box below guys. You can subscribe to it. It's 100% free. Let's talk about today's video. What is a secret website all about and how you can make money as a creative person on this platform. Now today's website is also different in its own unique sense. It's worked very differently. I've been researching a lot about various different websites and I've been introducing you to this new era of the new platforms. Do let me know in the comment section below guys, have you ever heard about these websites, and if yes, what's your experience? Please share your experience because it really helps me in knowing whether someone is actually selling on those platforms or not, because I am not always selling on all the platform. It's just not possible for me to sell on each and every platform which I talk in each and every video. And also I don't have that much experience with these platforms, but I just introduce you to because they may be helpful to you or may not be, but let me know your own experience with these platforms. Let's talk about today's website, which is this website and how you can gonna make money online. Without further ado, let me introduce you to the website. That's a Moteefe, I don't know how you're gonna pronounce it, but it's a moteefe.com. So this is a website where you can sell your work and can make money online. But how you gonna do it? Let's talk about that. So make merch, make sales, make it happen. When you're gonna land on the first page, you're gonna see something like this. We help you sell custom merchandise to a global audience. You can just place your email address and can get started selling there. No upfront cost, no minimum order. So it seems that it is a free website where you can sell your work and there is no minimum order. So how this website actually work, whether it's a marketplace, whether it's another print-on-demand services, or what it is all about. So there is a few steps that you need to take to launch your products on this platform. Launch your print-on-demand business with us today and start selling. Upload the design. Get started with print-on-demand by creating an original eye-catching design and uploading it to Moteefe's website. Select your products. Choose from a range of high-quality products including items like hoodies, mugs, cushions, canvases, and more. Launch and promote, publish your campaign online and start marketing your products across social media and different websites. Start earning. Share your print-on-demand products with the world and let the sales roll in. Don't worry, we will take care of all the productions. It's kind of like a campaign setting website where you can set your campaigns. Amazing if you're starting with or launching with something new and you want to test the idea whether it works or not. You could start with a small batch, and then when you see that the sales are rolling down and you see that some kind of momentum, then you could actually hop on and go into much more bigger and deeper into it. So the turnkey solution for e-commerce entrepreneurs. Building your brand has never been easier with Moteefe. All you have to do is upload a design and we do the rest. Once a product is purchased, our team handles all of the printing and delivery logistics, global production and fulfillment. So these are producing in the globally. Our print-on-demand supply chain platform is integrated with all leading print-on-demand supplies worldwide. 100 plus available products from leading manufacturers. We are partnered with 25 suppliers and production facilities, and we are always looking to connect with more. So 24 into seller support, you're gonna get the support. That's great, like, because we obviously need a customer service sales support if we want regarding anything about a product or something like that. So there is a range of the products they have. Choose a range of the product. You can choose from premium men's t-shirt. Then they have the mugs, tote bag. Then they also have the long sleeves men wears. They're seated in 10,000 sellers worldwide. 300,000 plus campaigns launched. $80 million plus seller gross profit. Social media integration. So this is also amazing thing to talk about guys, because after the product, if we want to sell our platform, if we want to sell our products, we also want a social media integration like with the Instagram or with the Facebook or other platform as well. So our print-on-demand supply chain is integrated with all leading print-on-demand suppliers worldwide with 100 plus available products from 25 suppliers and production facilities. But when it comes to online world, we offer integration with leading social media platforms such as Facebook, Pinterest, and Google Ads. Ads, if you are choosing the ads for paid promotion, or if you're just simply promoting on the Pinterest. Pinterest is such a common way to promote your print-on-demand shop, or for any physical product, or even the digital product-based businesses. Pinterest is the best way to promote your products because you don't need that much of followers, and you can get started with the day one itself. Then also the Facebook, if you have a Facebook page. So this is the kind of the stuff. Let's talk about a section, who these people are and what is their goal and all stuff. Moteefe was founded in 2014 by Lev Matisse and Olivier while pursuing an MBA in INSEAD. With Moteefe, it's in our ambition to help everyone bring great clothing designs to the market without any risk or hassle. What drives us is the opportunity to promote entrepreneurship and enable creative individuals and organizations to bring their ideas to life. We wanted to take away all the risk, work, worry, and hassle, and truly help people get rewarded for their creativity by giving them a platform and the opportunity to build a brand or spread a message. So this is about them. You can read the blog articles and can know how you're gonna get paid and what different kinds about how you're gonna sell, and much more detail about the payment stuff and all those kind of stuff. Build your future as an entrepreneur. You can just start selling. No upfront cost is needed. It's free. So it's free to get started with selling with this particular platform. You need to launch a campaign, guys. It's not a marketplace where you can start selling your work. Like if you have any kind of social media following, or if you don't even have a one, you can get started with the Pinterest as well. If you're looking forward to kind of like selling your work as a print-on-demand products, you could start with the Pinterest, integrate with the Pinterest, launch a campaign, promote your products on the Pinterest, and start making money by that. As simple as it may sound, you don't need any money to get started with that. It's free to get started with that. And also, it's not a marketplace, guys, so keep that thing in mind. Another thing I'm going to talk about, simply the best base cost in the industry. You can see the base cost and how much is your profit margin. So for example, if you are selling a t-shirt, they are giving one example on their website, which we can take an example and can do on various products. Enjoy the highest margin in the market when selling your merch on Moteefe. On average, our sellers make 20 euro with every t-shirt sale. Another thing I want to talk about, guys, it's a London-based company, is based in UK. So basically they have the more kind of euros because of their currency. VAT charges products on, so it takes 5 euro. Your profit would be 20 euros. No startup cost. The industry's fastest platforms. Express payouts. Okay, another thing I want to talk about, guys, is about the payouts, because you might be confused about how you're going to get payout when you're promoting your campaigns and you're making the sales. So express payouts will take place within 24 hours through PayPal, Payoneer, or bank transfer. Now, many of you guys have asked me many questions in my videos, is that can we get the payout by Payoneer or not? Because PayPal doesn't work in my country, or I don't have a PayPal account, or I can't make a one. Can I start out with Payoneer or not? Now, if you want to start with if you have a Payoneer account and you want to get started with the print-on-demand stuff, guys, then this is a website for you. You can integrate with the Facebook, with the Pinterest, and you can launch your campaign, set up a kind of like a products, and start promoting on the Pinterest, and can make money online, and you're gonna get payout by PayPal, Payoneer, or either the bank transfer. So this is a solution for those of you guys who are looking for the Payoneer related print-on-demand website. Then this is the solution, because they are paying you in the form of the Payoneer as well if you don't have a PayPal. Quality printing facilities, products delivered quickly, world-class customer service. Your name and enter your email address, and you can sign on this platform, and then you can see the complete list of the platform they have. You can even launch your campaign and integrate with the different social media platform and start promoting on them. You need to enter your email address and password, and you can get started with that. You can either sign up with Facebook as well, or with your email addresses. As simple as it may sound, it's not a marketplace, guys. If you're looking for a marketplace, then this website is not for you. But if you are someone who want to get started with the print-on-demand, start promoting and start selling, then this is something for you. You can launch a campaign. You can integrate with the social media platform, the Pinterest, the Facebook, even the Google Ads. If you're looking forward to promote your products by the Google Ads and making money, You can get started with that. You can have a proper branding. You can have even the private label. The white label is also there, so you can have a proper branding of your products, and you can launch a campaign without any upfront cost, without paying for anything. And once you make a sale, then you're gonna get payout by the PayPal, Payoneer, and the bank transfer. It's the best solution for all those of you who are looking forward to make money as a print-on-demand seller and don't have a PayPal account or can't make a one, or it's not there in the country. Then you can very well get started with a Payoneer, and you can start working with this website and start launching your campaign. Promote it on the Pinterest. I would say highly recommend you to go with the Pinterest. And then when you see that you are getting the momentum, you're making the sales and you're confident enough, then you can get started with the Google ads as well. Hopefully you find this video useful. Do let me know in the comment section below. Have you ever get started with this website? Are you selling with this website or not? Do let me know in the comment section below, because guys, your experience really matters to me. And if you have any kind of experience with this website, do let me know in the comment section below. If whether it's a good, whether it's a bad. And I'm going to leave the complete list, a complete website link of this platform in the description box below. You can very well click on that link and you can very well read this website and read about it, and also contact them via the email if you have any doubt regarding the services, regarding their offers and all. Hopefully you find this video useful. Do let me know in the comment section below your views. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.